Hello you beautiful people, I'm Urvi and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about a brand and a few of its products that I have been using. So the brand that I'm talking about is Plum Goodness. You all must have definitely heard a lot about this brand and I have too. So I have been using a few of Plum's products over the period of the past 1 year maybe, and I have kind of formed an opinion on the brand as a whole and also on the products that I'm about to show you. So this video is kind of a one brand review, if you may say so. So if you guys would be interested to know my mini review on Plum products, then please continue watching. So before getting into the review of the actual products, I would like to talk about Plum as a brand. So Plum is 100% cruelty free and a vegan brand. So it's a big plus for me because I only prefer products that are cruelty free and vegan. Secondly, Plum also does its bit for the planet. So Plum has this program of like 1% for the planet. So it is also written on all of their products that 1% of the proceeds that they receive definitely go towards the planet. Moving on to the next point, it is kind of an extension of the previous point. So Plum also has a recycling program. It is called Empties for Good. So whatever product that you purchase from Plum's website, you can definitely return the empties of those to Plum and they will give you like 50 rupees off on your next purchase, or you would get some points that you can redeem in your next purchase. So it's a very good initiative. So nowadays we hear many brands talking about plastic positivity, doing something for the environment, saving the planet, etc. But we don't really know what exactly they are doing. But over here Plum is doing a great job because it has 100% transparency as to what they do with the empties. So first of all, they take back the empties, so they will definitely recycle the empties. Otherwise, what are they going to do of all these empty bottles, right? So these empties go back to Plum, and they also make some very cool merchandise out of these recycled materials. So that was another plus for Plum from my side. And I think the last point would be that all the Plum products are nasties free. So they don't have all those nasty chemicals that might harm your skin, and also they might harm the environment. So they do claim that they are nasties free, and almost all their products have this description of what all nasties are not in the product, which is a very good thing because they are very honest with their ingredient list as well. So you can easily know what all ingredients you are putting on your face, your body, your hair, or whatever. So I really like Plum as a brand and whatever it stands for. From my side, Plum definitely gets a thumbs up. And I would be very happy to try any Plum products in the future as well without hesitation. Of course, all brands have some hits and some misses, but for me it's always been hits on the higher side than misses for Plum. So let's begin with this body wash duo that I picked up very recently. So these are body washes from the Plum Body Loving range, which is another plus point from Plum because they encourage body positivity and they do not differentiate between tall, short, dark, fair, etc. So it's a very beautiful initiative that Plum has taken to incorporate body positivity image in the minds of young girls, especially because they are very impressionable, and Plum stands for body positivity all the way. So this product says Plum Body Loving, and I had bought this duo of shower gels. So it includes two shower gels. One is the Hawaiian Roomba gel and the other one is Oopsie Daisy gel, and with that you also get a loofah, which I have misplaced, I don't know how. So it comes in this beautiful cardboard packaging, which is also another plus point of Plum that I would like to point out. They use minimal plastic in their packaging, so I'll just show you. So this is the Hawaiian Roomba shower gel. Just look at how pretty the bottle looks, and it smells just beautiful. And this is the next one. It's called Oopsie Daisy. This also smells very beautiful, but I'm yet to use it. As you can see, it's filled to the brim. And this was the packaging that it came in. So this is a cardboard packaging, and inside, instead of bubble wrap, they have these paper shreddings. Of course, these bottles came wrapped in a plastic sheet, but that much plastic I think any brand would need for its packaging, but other than that they use really less plastic. So now coming on to these body washes. These body washes are just beautiful, and I think they retail for 380 each, but I got this entire package for rupees 699. Plus there was some additional discounts going on. You should always check their website and also Nykaa if possible, because they have some great offers running for most part of the year. So I got a really good deal while purchasing this. So now coming on to this product. The product is just beautiful. It is a gel kind of consistency, and the Hawaiian Roomba one just takes you straight up to a beach. So it smells like vanilla, coconut, and all those beautiful beachy things. Also, this one is a floral fragrance again, but it's a little too strong for my liking. But nonetheless, it smells very beautiful. And of course, it's not a perfume, so it is going to fade away. So the strong smell doesn't bother me that much. And I would like to also mention one thing about the packaging. So as you can see, it's a pump packaging, and it comes with a plastic stopper like this. So you just have to press the pump and this goes down. But whenever you're traveling, you can just clip it on so that it doesn't spill all over, because there is no other way to block this. So it's a very good idea to pack it like this. So that was kind of my mini review on these shower gels. I just love them. Moving on to the next product from Plum. It's their fairly newer launch. It's their Candy Melts lip balm. So it comes in a cardboard packaging like this. Of course, I've kept the packaging because just look at how pretty it is. And that's the tub. As you can see, it's a huge tub, and you get 12 grams of product for rupees 295 only. So I think it's a very good deal. Plus, of course, as I told you earlier, there are always discounts going on with Plum. So it is a very simple fuss-free packaging. It is a plastic tub and a plastic cap, and that's how the lip balm looks. So I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but this is in the flavor Melon Bubble Yum. It smells like melony bubble gum that you're eating. It just, I don't know how else to explain it. It just smells beautiful, sweet, fresh, fruity. And of course the texture, I'll just show you. It's very thick, and it has a slight hint of color, not a lot. And let me show you. So it does give a very beautiful shine on the lips. It's a little thicker than I would prefer, but nonetheless it's very beautiful in texture, and of course it smells beautiful. You just have to apply a little bit on your lips just before going to bed, and in the morning your lips will feel so soft and so supple. So I think this lip balm ticks 9 out of 10 boxes for me. So definitely a hit from my side again. So the next product is their aloe vera gel. As you can see, it comes in a tub packaging, and it's a plastic tub. So it's a very fuss-free packaging again, and it comes with this protective layer, and I don't know if you can see, it is kind of like a liquid jelly kind of texture. So I'll just show it to you. See, it's quite transparent, and that's the texture. It's like the actual aloe vera plant gel that you scrape out of the leaf. The texture is very similar to that. Of course, after applying, it does not dry down very stretchy and very drying like the original leaf does, but it has no color, it has no fragrance, so it does smell kind of weird, but it does the job very well. Also, I think it costs around 395 rupees for 250 grams of product, which I think is a very good deal. Normally you get 150 grams of the product, and it is priced around 200, 250, 300 depending upon the brand. So for 395 for 250 grams, I think it's a very good deal. Plus you have those discounts any day. So I like to use this product in multiple ways, but I don't think I'll be able to explain it in today's video, otherwise the video is going to be really long. So if you guys would like to see the different ways in which I use my aloe vera gel, then please let me know in the comments below. I'll definitely make a separate video on this. So for me, this product is also a thumbs up. So now moving on to a hair product. I have this shampoo from Plum. It is the Olive and Macadamia Healthy Hydration Shampoo. This shampoo bottle is quite big. The quantity is 300 ml and the MRP is 675 rupees. But I think 675 for a shampoo is a little bit steep. So I think I had bought this shampoo when Plum, the entire website of Plum was on 50% discount. So I think I got it for around 370 or so. So talking about this product, the smell of this product is good. The texture is also good. It is like a gel kind of texture. So this shampoo is free from sulfates, silicones, parabens, phthalates, zinc, glycol, alcohol, and so many other things. So I think this does the job of a shampoo only when your hair is not very oily or your scalp is not very dirty. I have seen that whenever I have oil in my hair, this shampoo, 2 washes of this shampoo also do not remove the oil completely from my hair. So I definitely have to go in with another shampoo to get rid of the oil on my hair. Also, if I wash my hair after say 4 days, again it does not clean my scalp as clean as I would like it to be. But if you're a regular user of a shampoo and if you use your shampoo every alternate day, then this is a good shampoo. It does not give you a very great amount of hydration, so after a day or two your hair would become kind of frizzy, but not in a bad way. They get little fluffed up and they don't give you that smooth finish that some other shampoos give you, because of course there are no parabens and sulfates in this shampoo. So this shampoo is kind of somewhere in the middle for me. It has not worked excellently for me, but it has definitely worked well. So I'm kind of in the middle for this product. The next product that I'm going to talk about is probably my favorite product from Plum. You must have seen me use this one in my birthday glow up video as well. So this is the Plum face mask in the variant chamomile and white tea, and it comes in a glass jar like this, and of course the cap is made of plastic and it also has a protective layer inside. As you can see, I have hit the bottom for this mask and it's quite a big jar for a face mask. So this product has kaolin clay in it and it also has glycolic acid. So it is going to cleanse your skin very well, and of course it's going to give you a brightening glow. Whenever I use this face mask, my face definitely has a glow. My pores are cleansed well. Even if I have any pimple, they also get smaller. So all the excess oil is sucked out, but it does not feel very dry on the skin at all. It has a lot of ingredients, but I don't mind them because it is doing well for my skin. So the price is not mentioned on this and I have thrown the outer packaging, but I'll definitely pop the MRP on the screen somewhere. So I just love this face mask, and if you're looking for a good face mask, then I think you should go for this one. The next product that I want to talk about is this face mist from Plum. This is the grapeseed and sea buckthorn face mist. As you can see, I have used quite a lot of it and only that much is remaining. So first of all, it smells amazing and it just instantly refreshes your skin. So how I like to use it is, sometimes your skin feels very heavy if you apply moisturizers, especially during summers. So what I like to do is, after applying my toner, I just spritz my face with this spray and my face gets enough hydration, but not too much that I feel sticky or greasy throughout the day. So the ingredients in this one are really good. So of course it has aqua, it has aloe juice, it has castor oil, hibiscus extract, calendula extract, edelweiss extract, grapeseed oil, sea buckthorn oil, niacinamide, glycerine, and some other chemicals which are required to make this kind of a product. But overall, I think you saw it has a beautiful list of ingredients and it does work very well as a facial mist. So you could even use it as a makeup fixer when you run out of some. I'll just show you. So it gives you an instant boost of freshness, but this is just a hack and I wouldn't advise you to use it on the daily because it has so many beautiful ingredients that could help your skin. But if you apply it on top of makeup, it's not going to help your skin. I think if you can see, it has given me a beautiful soft glow on the face. So of course it will do that, but your skin will not benefit so much. So as a hack, you could definitely use this, but I like to use it on my bare skin, which helps my skin look very healthy and beautiful. So this product is definitely a yay from my side, and the price is not written on the bottle, so I'll just pop it on the screen somewhere. Next product from Plum is kind of a makeup product, is their kajal. I think you guys must have seen many people talk about this kajal, and rightly so. It's a beautiful kajal. This is my second pencil. Of course I finished my first pencil, so that's how the kajal looks. It's a beautiful purple colored packaging. Sorry, don't mind the blunt pencil, but I'll just show you how it looks. I think you saw that how beautifully and how easily it glided on, and just look at the dark black color that it has. As you saw, it was a very jet black dark line that I drew on my hand, and of course I tried to smudge it. Sometimes we like to give a smoky effect to our eyes, so it helps with that as well. It is kind of like a gel kajal, if I may say so. The texture, the consistency, the performance is exactly like a gel kajal, and gel kajals are definitely more on the expensive side of things. So this one retails for 495 rupees, but of course you can get it on offer. Another product that I love from Plum is this one. So the next product from Plum that I would like to talk about is their facial oil. So this is the Grapeseed and Sea Buckthorn Glow Restore Face Oils blend. It's a big name, but in short it's a facial oil, and as you can see, it comes in a glass packaging like this, and of course it has a dropper, and the dropper also is made of glass. So as you can see, that's the consistency of the oil. It's not very thick, so that's the oil, and if you blend it, it does spread very easily with the warmth of your hand. And of course it does not get absorbed very quickly into the skin, because of course it's a facial oil, but if you can see, it has given me a beautiful glow and of course a lot of hydration. So I like to use this facial oil in my nighttime skincare routine. I generally don't use this oil during the daytime, and I can't figure out the ingredients of this right now, so I might just pop the ingredients screenshot on the screen somewhere. So it has a beautiful blend of all these oils, and it smells amazing. So this oil definitely has a thick consistency, and you just need 4 to 5 drops. So what I like to do is just take some between my palms and just very well warm it between my fingers, and then just pat it on my face, which helps me with the spreading of the product very easily. And of course I use it as a last step from my skincare routine. So again, this product is a big thumbs up from my side. I think those were all the products that I purchased from Plum. Yes, purchased. So I have of course received some as free gifts as well. So on my first order, I did receive a beautiful little wallet from Plum. I actually use it in my day-to-day life, so I'm not able to show it to you right now, but it's a very cute little wallet. Also, I think you will be surprised to see this. I got this as a free gift, this entire thing. So of course it's a very cute velvet bag from Plum, and it comes in this standard plum color. So this is not the free gift. The free gift is inside this, but of course I got this along with it. So when you open it, of course the packaging is not of plastic. It has again these paper shreds, as you can see. And the product that I'm talking about is this gua sha. It's a rose quartz gua sha. As you can see, it's quite a big stone, and the shape is just beautiful. So I have gotten this as a free gift on my recent order. So they had some offer running that first 1000 orders would receive this. So I was lucky enough to place an order quickly and get this for free. But of course you can buy it on their website as well. I think it costs around, I'm not sure, I'll just pop the MRP on the screen as well. So as you can see, it's a very beautiful looking stone, but in addition to looking so cute and so pretty, it also does the job of a face massager. So you guys must have definitely seen people use or talk about this gua gua sha a lot, so I'm not going to bore you with the details, but what I like to do is use this facial oil along with this gua sha, and it works just wonders. So I'm not touching it on my face because I have makeup on, but what I like to do is just use it like this on my jawline. Then I like to use it like this on my entire face, and I like this again on the crevices of my nose and all towards the forehead, and like this under my eyes. So it is very very cooling. It definitely depuffs the face, it gets the blood circulation going, and of course all this will help you stay younger for a long period of time. So of course it works as an anti-aging product as well. So of course I got this product for free, but I don't think I would purchase a gua sha for such a big amount. And it's not any fault of Plum's. Of course these things are expensive, but I don't think I would have purchased. But if you are a skincare lover and if you want something for your anti-aging or for depuffing your face, then definitely give this one a shot. Talking about the last product, well, it's not actually a Plum product, but it's a very very essential product these days that I'm talking about, that I received as a free gift from Plum, is this mask. Of course, masks have become a part of our life now, and I think I received it with this one. As you can see, they have a very similar print. So this is from the Hawaiian Roomba range. Of course, I love the fragrance so much, and this mask is very very comfortable. It's white from the inside, and it's printed, and it has 2 layers at least, and this elastic is also very very comfortable to wear. I'll just wear it and show you guys. See, it's not very loose, it does not fall off. So it's a very very good quality mask, and I think I've been using this since a month now and washing it as well. It has not gotten damaged at all. So overall, I think you must have already gauged that I love Plum as a brand, and most of their products have worked very well for me. So I don't think there is any product from Plum that's a big no from me. So only the shampoo is a bit of kind of in the middle for me, and the aloe vera gel I have just recently started using. So we'll see how I feel exactly about it. I would like to just say that I really trust Plum as a brand, and I really like what it is doing for my skin and also for the planet. So a big thank you to Plum for being Plum and doing all these good things. And I would definitely be buying more products from Plum as and when I need. So I think that's all that I wanted to talk about, the products, the brand and everything. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one brand review kind of a video. If you did, then please like this video, comment down below, share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do. Please subscribe to my channel and help me grow. It would mean a lot to me. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.